Using Substack for newsletters is an effective way to share your thoughts and engage with an audience. Here's a step-by-step guide to get started. Sign up and create an account. Visit Substack's website and sign up for a free account. You'll be prompted to provide your email address and set a password. Set up your profile. Once registered, customize your profile by adding your name, a profile picture, and a brief bio. This helps readers understand who you are and what your newsletter is about. Create your newsletter. Click on New Post to start drafting your newsletter. You can format your content using headings, images, links, and lists. Consider including engaging visuals and links to relevant articles or resources. Choose subscription options. Decide if your newsletter will be free, paid, or a mix of both. Substack allows you to set a subscription price if you choose to monetize your content. Publish and share. After finalizing your newsletter, click Publish. Substack will automatically email it to your subscribers. Promote your newsletter on social media or other platforms to grow your audience. Engage with readers. Encourage feedback by enabling comments on your posts. This fosters community and helps you understand your audience's preferences.